This is a new cutout that's on our webpage. It says Hello Spring, and it's this little farm truck. And I'm just going to start by dismantling all the parts onto this painter's tape, and it's just going to keep track of all the small pieces. And it does make it easier to paint the small parts. The first layer, I'm going to take smoky quartz and fill in where the window's going to go. Then I'm going to go to the second layer and cover this in our snow owl. After the first coat, we're going to then dab, which is going to help us with the second coat. I'm going to do the fenders and the lower portion of the truck. I'm going to do the circular part of the tire in Snow Owl, and then the inner part of the tire in Smoky Quartz. I'm going to take Republic Red and Snow Owl, mix it together, and cover all the tulips. Then I'm going to go in with Joshua Tree and cover all the greenery part of the tulip. I'm going to take yellow, and I decided to do every other tulip in yellow. I'm going to fill in the tires with our black. You don't really have to worry about staying in the lines, as the fenders are going to cover any imperfections. I'm going to cover the bird in Higgins Lake, the butterfly in the pink, and the body in black. I'm going to cover the flowers in pink and do the centers in yellow. I'm going to cover the Hello Spring in black. This is optional. Sometimes I'll cover things in black to give it a more vintage vibe, because you'll see that black underneath. And then I did each of the letters in different colors. I did the S and the N in the pink. The I is a flower, so I did the top of that in the pink and the stem in the Joshua Tree. I did goldenrod on the P, and the G I did in green. The hello I did in pink. Then I did chocolate on the rails and then wiped it back with a baby wipe. I did white on the flowers, the butterfly, the letters, the bird, and this is just a dry brush. I did black for the eye on the bird, and then I did white on the tulips just around the edge, just to give me some interest to my project. I did some white on the tires, on the rails, and I'm going to start gluing everything together. I did the white part of the tire. I added the smoky quartz in the center. I did the word hello, and then added each of the letters spelling out spring. I forgot to paint the letter R, which I did in this Higgins Lake, and then finish the rest of the word. I did the door handle and then added the fenders. I added the butterfly on the truck, then added the first layer of the truck to the second layer of the truck, added the tulips, added the bottom trim of the truck, added the flowers to the truck, and then added the rail. I put the bird on top of the rail along with his wing. I did take the white dabber and add some more white on some of my parts along with the tires. I put jute as the hanger. And then added some white into the windshield. And then the last thing I did is I took some of the smoky quartz that was left over on this dabber and just went around the edges of the fenders and the edges of the truck just to add some interest to my project. Thank you so much for your purchase and thank you so much for watching. You can find this cutout at chalkitupfancy.com.